So, good morning, students. Today I am here to discuss the few important terms of chapter 8, motion of class 9. And in this lecture, I will discuss along with you the few important terms, and the important terms are: first, what is the difference between the uniform and non-uniform motion? Second, what is speed? And the third is types of speeds. Speed, as you know, it is of four types. First is uniform speed, second is non-uniform speed, third is average speed, and the fourth is instantaneous speed. So in this lecture, I will discuss one by one these four terms. So first, I will discuss what is uniform motion. Dear students, in the previous lecture, I was discussed what is motion. So, as you know, motion क्या होती है, इसको हम पहले भी हम लेक्चर में पढ़ चुके हैं. So, I will again revise to you what is motion. An object is said to be in motion if its position is changes with respect to time or with respect to surrounding. हम किस ऑब्जेक्ट को मोशन में कहेंगे अगर ऑब्जेक्ट अपनी पोजीशन को चेंज कर रहा है with respect to time or with respect to surrounding. If the position of the object is changes with respect to time or with respect to surrounding, then the object is said to be in motion. Motion is further divided into two types. First is uniform motion and the second is non-uniform motion. So first, what is uniform motion? If the object covers equal distances in equal interval of time, then the motion of the object is said to be uniform motion. For example, a person is moving along a straight road and he is covering a distance of say 5 meter in 1 second, again 5 meter in second, 5 meter in third second, and 5 meter in fourth second. Suppose a person is starting from this point, say O. This is the person which is moving on this straight road, and this is the point A, B, C and D. At time t is equal to 0 second, the person is at the origin, and in 1 second he has to travel a distance of say 5 meter. In next 1 second, again he is covering a distance of say 5 meter. Again in 1 second, he is to be covering a distance of say 5 meter. Again in 1 second, he is covering a distance of say 5 meter. So students, एक पर्सन जो O पॉइंट पे था, पहले सेकंड में उसने 5 मीटर का डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया. In next 1 second, he is covering the same distance 5 meter. In next 1 second, he is again covering the distance 5 meter. So from this diagram, it was clear to you. It will clear to you the person is covering the same distance in equal interval of time, say 1 second. So if the person or the object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then the motion of the object is said to be in uniform motion. तो ये उसका एग्जांपल है. जो पर्सन इस ओरिजिन पॉइंट पे था एट टाइम t इज इक्वल टू 0 सेकंड पे, 1 सेकंड के बाद 5 मीटर का उसने डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया. Then again after 1 second, he is again covering a distance of say 5 meter. And after 1 second, he is again covering a distance of say 5 meter. It means in every same interval of time, say 1 second, the person is covering the same distance, say 5 meter. It means the person is covering equal distance in equal interval of time, say 5 meter in each 1 second, equal distance in equal interval of time. It means the motion of the person is to be uniform motion. Now the second is, what is non-uniform motion? The second is non-uniform motion. If the object covers equal distance in unequal interval of time or unequal distances in equal interval of time, then the motion of the object is said to be non-uniform motion. If the object covers equal distances in unequal interval of time, or we can say unequal distances in equal interval of time, then the motion of the object is said to be non-uniform motion. अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट अनइक्वल डिस्टेंस को ट्रेवल करे इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में, या फिर इक्वल डिस्टेंस को ट्रेवल करे अनइक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में, तब हम उस ऑब्जेक्ट की मोशन को नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन में कंसीडर करेंगे. इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट कवर्स अनइक्वल डिस्टेंसेस इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम, और वी कैन से इक्वल डिस्टेंसेस in unequal interval of time, then the motion of the object is said to be non-uniform motion. For example, if a car is moving on a straight highway from Pipli to Chandigarh. Then in first 1 hour the car is covering a distance of say 10 kilometers, and in another 1 hour the car is covering a distance of say 20 kilometers, and so 0, this is the origin, say O, and this is the point, say A, and the time is say 1 hour. The distance is say 10 kilometer. Then this is the point B, time is 2 hour, the distance is say 20 kilometer. Then this is C, time is 3 hour, and the distance is say 30 kilometer. And this is the point D, 4 hour, and the distance is say 40 kilometer. So students, is it clear from this diagram? This is the car, this is the car which is moving on this straight road. In first 1 hour the car is traveling a distance of say 10 kilometer. In the second 1 hour the car is traveling a distance of say 20 kilometer. In the next 1 hour the car is traveling a distance of say 30 kilometer. In the next 1 hour the car is traveling a distance of say 40 kilometer. It means the car is covering an unequal distance in equal interval of time, 1 hour each. हर एक घंटे के अंदर जो कार डिस्टेंस को ट्रेवल कर रही थी O पॉइंट से D पॉइंट तक आने के लिए वो अनइक्वल था, वो सेम नहीं था. So students, if the object covers unequal distance or in equal interval of time, then the motion of the object is said to be non-uniform motion. Or we can say, if the object covers equal distance in unequal interval of time, then the motion is said to be non-uniform motion. Clear? The next topic is, what is speed? The next topic is speed. In the previous lecture, I was discussed what is speed. Speed is the distance covered by the object in a time interval say t. कितना distance object ने cover किया in a time interval t, that is known as the speed. What is speed? It is defined as the distance covered by the object in a time interval say t. Speed is given by distance upon time and its unit is meter per second. What is speed? It is defined as the distance covered by the object in a time interval say t. एक t इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में ऑब्जेक्ट ने कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया, दैट इज नोन एज द स्पीड. तो स्पीड इज distance upon time. The distance is measured in terms of meter and the time is measured in terms of second. So its unit is meter per second. The next is types of speed. It is of four types. First is uniform speed. Second is non-uniform speed. Third is average speed. And the fourth one is instantaneous speed. Types of speed. It is of four types. First one is uniform speed. The second is non-uniform speed. The third one is average speed. And the fourth one is instantaneous